Welcome to DIY with Michelle. Anthropologie's Femi hanging basket, which costs $98, inspired this project. Want to learn how to recreate it? Let's get started. You'll need nautical rope from Dollar Tree and the color of yarn of your choice. I'm using white and navy blue in an ombre. You'll also need a glue gun with glue sticks. Unravel your rope and it becomes 3 different pieces. Begin by placing a small amount of hot glue on the end of the rope and start to coil it up into a circle. Continue to round it and add hot glue as you go. At this point, it would be wise to get a small bowl of water to dip your fingers in. This helps the glue from sticking to your fingers. Now add the second rope and glue it all the way around. After you've completed the second rope, add the third rope, leaving 60 inches unglued so you can add the 7-inch strips of yarn. Add the 7-inch long yarn by tying a lark's head knot. You may tie one at a time or more. Once you get a good amount of yarn tied, you can start to glue. I stopped halfway, but you may choose to go the entire circle if you like. And that's it. Display on the opposite side. I enjoyed making this and I hope you do too. Thanks so much for watching.